Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura C8 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work as we had to basically unclog the entire grinder. This one that you see right here is the grinder of the machine. We completely removed the covers of this beautiful Jura, and we were able to get back in there. What was happening with this grinder is that coffee grounds got clogged inside of the entire thing, and it started backing up into the funnel. So whenever it was grinding, instead of going into the brew unit, it will get a little bit up there. So thankfully it didn't damage the grinder. I inspected completely the whole thing and cleaned it. You can see as we were taking some things apart. We also took the entire brew unit assembly and deep clean it, replace the o-rings as well, and service it. And this is where we put everything back together. We deep clean completely everything. We had to remove the entire housing of this whole machine. These two screws are right here. We have to remove them completely. This whole base we have to remove it as well. Had to readjust the grinder itself. We have to remove all this stuff, remove it from the housing, clear the motor, clean. We really did a lot of work in this area. Um, After that, we focus ourselves into the brew unit. This is the brew unit of the machine. We deep clean everything inside of it, relubricate it, replace the O-rings of it, and we have the machine now all put back together and ready to brew. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this beautiful machine. Then we're going to be using the hot water and then the steam. We also did a descaling cycle on this machine, a milk cleaning cycle, and a cleaning cycle for the spouts and the inner parts of the machine. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out from the spouts. Really good flow. Great shot of espresso. Now we're gonna be using the hot water. As you can see, steady stream coming out from the hot water one. Great flow. Excellent temperature as well. As you can see, great flow coming out from the hot water. Looking great. Now we're going to do a milk portion. It's gonna siphon from this milk cleaner over here. We don't have milk unfortunately, but we're still gonna be able to see how it froths how it should froth the milk. There you go, siphons through it. Good steam as well. That's exactly what you want to see if it's not pulling any water. And there you go. And now it's ready to brew. So there you have it, Jura C8 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.